Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It is milkshake time today. I'm doing it a bit of a different way today. Today I'm making it on the ice cream machine, and it would actually taste a bit like the milkshakes that you get on fast food chains, which is meant in a very delicious and good way. I'm making a chocolate version today, so let's get started. In my bowl I already have some unsweetened cocoa powder, then in with some chocolate milk, heavy cream, and some sweetened condensed milk, and just whisk it well together. All you have to do is just to pour it into your ice cream machine and let it churn until you have a consistency like a delicious thick milkshake. It will take anywhere from between 20 minutes to 40 minutes. It really depends on how hard your machine freezes. After that, put it into a glass and serve it. There's enough for 4 small glasses to 2 large glasses. Let's taste. That is so delicious. Nice and thick. It tastes a bit like a fast food chain milkshake, which is meant in a very good way. Try this out, guys. All ingredients are down below as always, and don't forget to subscribe.